guys, we are going to learn one last song this year on the recorder. And this song is going to use all the pitches that we've learned so far. It's going to use the G, the A, and the B. Okay? Let's just do a little bit of a review. We remember that our B was thumb, right? And first finger right here. And we are using our left hand. So thumb and first finger. And let's put it up to our mouth and let's try that B. All right, and don't forget the tonguing because we want that nice crisp sound at the beginning, okay? So play it again with me and let's see if your pitch matches. Ready, and. All right, good. Did it match? Was there any squeaking? Remember, if you have squeaks, that you need to check the air that you're breathing into the instrument. You want to make sure it's the slow, warm air, right? If we're doing, you want that warm air to be warm on your hand. If you're blowing and it's cold or cool, it's probably too fast and it will make the recorder squeak. So make sure we make it nice and slow, warm air going into the recorder. And also another problem that we typically have is if your fingers are not completely covering the holes, okay? So let's try that B one more time. Ready, and. All right, good. And then let's refresh ourselves on the A. When we have the A, it's the same as the B, except we add one more finger, right? So we have thumb, first finger, and second finger. All right, so let's bring that up to our mouths. Remember the tonguing and play it with me. 1, 2, ready, and. All right, how did it sound? Did you get the same pitch? Let's try it one more time together. Ready, and. All right, did you get it that time? All right, if not, stop here and figure it out. Figure out if you're squeaking or if your finger's in the wrong place, but you should have a thumb, first finger, and second finger for that A, okay? All right, and then let's move on to the G. So G is going to be very similar to the A, right? Except we just add that third finger. So we have thumb, first finger, second finger, and third finger. All right, and this hand is just supporting. All right, so let's bring it up to our mouth. Let's make sure we use that tonguing to get that nice crisp sound. Ready, and G. All right, did your tone match? Let's try it one more time. Ready, and. All right, you got that G? All right, I think we're ready to move on to our last BAG song, which is the last song that uses the notes G, A, and B before we move on to any songs that use new notes, okay? So we're just using notes that we've learned so far. And let's just do a little refresher quick. We've got the fingering chart here, right? This shows the right hand, and this shows the left hand. All right, and our G, remember, every good boy deserves fudge. So every good, that G is on the line for every good, right? So, and then we have the A is in a space. Remember, face in the space, starting from the bottom to the top, we have F, A, C, E. And second space would be F, A, right? So A is in the second space. And then B is right in the middle. Remember, every good boy from bottom to the top deserves fudge. So that is what our B looks like. All right, so this is our song that we are going to do. It's Merrily We Roll Along, and it sounds very similar to Mary Had a Little Lamb, okay? So if we're looking at the notes, you can see that we have quarter notes, we have half notes, and we have a half rest. So the rhythm of the song is going to go ta, 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 shh. All right, do you think you can say that with me? Let's just say the rhythm together. Ready? And ta, 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 rest, or shh, right? You can say either rest or shh. All right. So now let's look at these notes and let's see if we can read those notes. So we've got the one that's right in the middle, right? Every good boy, B, just beneath A, G, A, right? Remember that the notes go in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts over A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay? So we have B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, A. You see how all these notes are the same note? They've got different lengths that they're held out, but they're the same note. Same here, see? B, 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 A. And then, let's see, same as over here, right? So here we have B, B, B. And then look, this measure is the same as up here. B, A, G, A. Oop, another measure that's the same. B, B, B. Then we have A, B, A, G, rest. Okay, you see that? If you need help, you can slow down a little bit, take a pencil, and you can print off the music. You can write the notes in if that helps you out too. That is completely fine, okay? All right, so let's take a look at the music. Let's get our recorders up to our mouths. And let's see if we can try playing that song together nice and slow, okay? I will get up close to the camera so that you can see my fingers a little bit better. We're starting on B, thumb first finger, okay? 1, 2, ready, and. Let's try doing Merrily We Roll Along one more time, all right? Starting on B. Ready? And. All right, good job. One of the questions that I get most often is why do we need to keep our left hand on top and our right hand on the bottom? Because I know a lot of you think that it would be easier to switch those fingers around because you're right-handed and stuff, but I am going to give you one of the main reasons why you need to keep your left hand on top and your right hand on the bottom, okay? The reason is that when you switch to a regular instrument, like let's say when you get into middle school and you decide you want to take band and you want to play a wind instrument, say something like this, or a flute, or a clarinet, or something like that, there is going to be special places for you to put your fingers, okay? And it's always left hand on the top, right hand on the bottom, okay? Now, if I were to try to play this instrument like this, it wouldn't work very well, okay? So you need to keep your hands in the correct places in order to be able to play the instrument properly, okay? So that is the reason why your left hand should go on the top and your right hand on the bottom, okay? I hope that makes sense. All right, we will see you guys later. Have a great week.